I'd like to go over how to use our part viewer whenever you go to make any templates that you've created. And our part viewer will give us quite a bit of detail as far as operations, things that are going on that template specifically for the CNC router. Now first we're going to click recall, and I've created a job here. We have templates already listed in here with certain sizes and quantities. On this particular door, I did make an exception for a 3-inch left style. If I click on Make down here, it's using the My Doors Plus. So let's close this, come back. You see how it says Design Library, My Doors Plus. This is a copy of the KCD Doors Plus, which is called My Doors Plus. This library can be set up specifically to meet your needs, not the ones that we just set in as a default. So let's come in here. My Doors Plus includes CNC output. If I click Calculate, it's going to create all the DXF files for the entire job and bring it up in our part viewer, which you see right here. This image here happens to be this door file right here. It's a DXF file. The name of the job happens to be called Unnamed currently, Door ARP, and 2, 3, 4, and these are just the unit numbers or the item numbers. And if we come through this list and just hit our cursor arrow down, we're going to see all the different templates we've created. Coming back up, we can look at any of the items here. Now if I click on that point right there, that's a perimeter point. And it tells us exactly where the X and Y is. X is left and right, right here, and Y is up and down. When I click on that point, it tells me X is 0 and Y is 21 inches up. Now, the total width of this part is right here. The thickness of the part is right here, 0.76. The tool, when I clicked on this particular perimeter, has an operation that goes on that will pass the tool from this point to this point to this point. You'll see the arrows going in this direction, and that's an actual physical machining operation, and the tool or layer name is perimeter cut. The tool diameter is 3/8, and like I said, there's the name of the part with the name of the template. Now, anytime I click on any of these operations, it's telling me what tool is going to be used to cut that operation. In this case, it's a raised panel cut, and it's telling us the width here, the depth, and we could just keep clicking on these points and it gives us the physical location of those points. There are many things in the setup on your cut list that you can change to basically match your cutters and details, and to make sure that the spacing between here and here as far as the style width can be specifically what you want. Remember that door that we made on the arch raised panel door? There was a 3-inch wide left style. Well, notice that this is wider, and that is the 3-inch left style. So details can be set. And at this point, I'm going to stop, and we're going to end up going over how to set up your details in your cut list on the next video.